A lot. Well, a major legal question is now in the hands of the Georgia Supreme Court. This comes after justices heard oral arguments this morning on whether a Georgia Senate committee can legally subpoena Fulton County DA Fani Willis. 11 Alive's Ariana Maniz has more on what the justices are focusing on today.
For about an hour, justices digged in on the question of whether a subpoena is still valid after a new legislative body takes over and if some lawmakers leave office. And that's exactly what happened with the original subpoena that was issued to District Attorney Fani Willis. During oral arguments today, attorneys debated whether that old subpoena became meaningless after the 2024 session ended or whether lawmakers can still enforce it even after a new legislator is sworn in. Justices also noted that a new subpoena has already been issued and Willis has agreed to appear, raising the question of whether the original dispute is now moot. Several justices suggested they prefer not to rule on broader constitutional issues unless absolutely necessary. Now, this all stems from the State Senate Special Committee on Investigations, which wants Willis to testify about spending in the now dismissed election interference case involving President Trump. Willis sued to block that subpoena. A Fulton County judge ruled against her, and she appealed to the state Supreme Court. The committee is scheduled to meet again later this month, December 17th. It's unclear if Willis will appear during that meeting. Once again, she has agreed to appear before the state Senate committee. She agreed to do so at their last meeting, but that did not happen due to a scheduling conflict. The justices says they want a status update after the December 17th meeting. We will continue to follow developments and work to get reaction from both sides. Reporting from the Georgia Supreme Court, I'm Ariana Maniz for 11 Alive.
And of course, we're going to continue to follow the very latest developments on this story on 11 Alive Plus. It's free to download on your TV.